Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to change the pointer speed on your LG Smart TV. So let's start by pressing and holding the settings button on the remote control. This brings us to the main menu and we go to General, then we go across and we go down. Keep going to System. From here we go across and we go down again to Additional Settings. Across once more, and you will see pointer options. Just go in here, tracking speed, we go in here, and now we have the three options. I'm on normal. Let's see what fast looks like. As you can see, it's really buzzing around the screen. So let's try slow. And this is a much more controllable pace. But again, it all depends on your own perspective. I've put mine to slow. You have the option for normal or fast. That's how you change the pointer speed, the tracking speed on your LG Smart TV. If it's been useful, give it a thumbs up, check out my channel, and hey, have a great day ahead.